Okay guys, now in this lecture we are going to learn about one more very important command that we are going to use very frequently in this course. So if you have a wireless adapter, so you can use iwconfig command to gather crucial information for wireless hacking such as adapter's IP address, its MAC address, what mode it is working on, and many more things. So the information you can glean from this command is particularly important when you are using wireless hacking tools like aircrack-ng. So now guys, let's see how we can work with this particular thing. Okay. So what you need to do here, simply open the terminal and simply type iwconfig and hit enter. So guys, after hitting enter, so the output here tells us that the only network interface with wireless extension is VLAN 0. Okay, so which is what we simply expect. So neither LO nor H0 have any wireless extension, that is why they are completely blank. So now we are having these main information that our Wi-Fi adapters, that this particular command that it is giving us. Okay, so we are having these main information. So now guys, let's learn about them and let's see what they are telling us. So as you can see that we are having mode here managed. So what this means? So guys, manage mode means it is currently in normal mode. So if you want to do packet injection, if you want to capture the request or packets in the air, so it must be in monitor mode. So this particular Wi-Fi adapter is capable of monitor mode. So we are going to see how to convert the mode from manage to monitor later on in this section. Okay, so then we are having access point which is not associated. So we are having access point which is not associated, that we are going to see later on in this course. And then we are having power here. Power is 20 dBm, which is nothing but the signal, that also we are going to see later on in this course. So this is basically about iwconfig. So later on we are going to learn about all of these things in very deep manner when we are going to penetrate into network. Okay, so guys, this is how iwconfig command is work, and this is how you can take advantage by simply typing iwconfig, and let's see what are the information wireless extension is having inside it.